Motorcycle and scooter on the fashion scene. Black leather favoured by Mike, the motorcyclist, for protection at speed. Fitted beige jacket in corduroy favoured by Richard for scooter riding. As pillion rider with Mike, Mandy keeps to the black leather theme. While Sue, the scooter girl, likes the comfort of a loose-fitting woolen jacket. White peaked helmet completes her outfit. For Richard, it's a deerstalker helmet. He thinks it's the tops. The tops for Mike and Mandy are a pair of matching silver helmets. Fashions come and go, but heads are here to stay. Get into the right gear. Always wear a safety helmet.